Hi, I'm Carter Morgan, and today I'm going to share how Google Cloud AppSheet can help empower citizen developers to build their own no-code applications. Let's get started. Have you spent countless hours sifting through an endless list of out-of-the-box solutions, frustrated that nothing is quite what you'd hope it would be? Do you ever think to yourself, I know what I need to be successful, I wish I could just build it myself? If so, no need to look any further. No-code solutions like Google Cloud AppSheet is democratizing technology, allowing everyone everywhere, including you, to become a citizen developer that creates custom applications to meet your unique needs. This means that by leveraging the power of data, non-technical individuals can build their own applications without even needing to know how to write a line of code. By expanding the pool of who can access app development from 10 million software engineers to more than 2 billion people, AppSheet is helping increase the number of people who can provide a quick solution. With the right no-code platform in place, this newfound talent pool of citizen developers can help their companies ideate quickly, drive innovation, and increase agility in an ever-changing work environment. But how exactly does AppSheet work? Well, it engages with your data and through machine learning, processes the information in the data and creates application that can be used on desktops for those in the office or on mobile devices for those in the field. You can think about no-code behaving like a self-driving car. These self-driving platforms allow you to describe to them where you want to go, and AppSheet will drive you there. In this case, your data is the description, and certain data points like dates or email addresses influence how your application looks, feels, and behaves. There are three key areas of no-code development that set AppSheet apart in the no-code space: governance, AI and ML capabilities, and automation. For now, we're going to provide a quick walkthrough that showcases how Google AI and ML help you get started with AppSheet in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, we're going to authorize your data source. On the AppSheet homepage, click the Start for Free button. You'll be taken to a screen that states, Start with your data. Select your cloud-based data source. In this case, we'll be using our Google Drive, and authorize your account to work with AppSheet. Your data will not be moved. It will remain with your preferred data source. Once you've authorized your data source, you will be taken to your account page. For a quick start, click Make a New App and select Start with your own data. Next, provide a name for your application and select the type of application you want to build. For this app, let's build a field service inspection application. Click Select Data and select from the list of authorized data sources. Select the appropriate file for your application and then let Google's machine learning analyze your data and make smart suggestions based on the type of data in your source. In this survey app, AppSheet made recommendations for views of maps, an image gallery, and forms based on your data. From here, you can customize how your application looks and behaves, add automation, and decide who you'd like to share your application with. The emulator on the right provides real-time updates and different screen types to the changes you're making so you can iterate on your application quickly. From the complex solutions to simple forms, the possibilities are endless for what can be accomplished with a no-code platform like AppSheet. Ready to start building a custom line of business solutions that will empower your team? Get started today by clicking the link in the description below. Happy app building.